If you have a dry skin, it flakes, it's sore, it's uncomfortable, and you constantly feel like you need to be putting something extra onto your skin, Super Rich Repair from Dermalogica is the answer. Now, this really is an unbelievably luxe feeling cream, and it glides onto the skin before it penetrates almost immediately. It smooths away the fine lines, the wrinkles, and it also brightens the skin because it's got these lovely natural earth minerals, and they give that illusion of soft skin, dewy skin. But don't forget, we've got peptides in here too, so for supreme lifting and firming. The other interesting part is it does have protection for UVA and UVB, but if you are out in the sunshine, make sure you do use your usual sunscreen. But on a daily basis, this is a cream. If you've got those really dry skins, make sure you use this for the ultimate in hydration comfort.